First I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil and then a half teaspoon of asafoetida hing, then 2 cups of chopped cabbage. Then I will be sauteing it well, and then I'm going to add another half teaspoon of hing. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder, and then I'm going to let these spices cook along with this cabbage. I will be placing the bread slices on low heat on a pan to toast, and then I will be cooking this cabbage continuously. Then I'm adding 1 big chopped tomato, and then I will be covering this with a lid and letting it cook until the tomato softens. So once these tomatoes are softened, I'm going to mash it with the help of the spoon. Now here I have freshly made paneer, which is also known as Indian cheese, which I blended with the way in which I had created it. If you do not have this freshly made paneer, then you can just use ricotta cheese, which is similar to this. I made this 1 day in advance, so it was easy to use in the morning. If you are noticing there is extra water content in it because of the whey, so I'm letting this cheese cook nicely until the entire water dries down. And also when I prepared it yesterday, I had already added the salt in it to preserve it. So you will need to put extra salt to it if you are using plain ricotta cheese. Now this entire thing looks cooked because the cheese is sticking to the base. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese to it. This is the regular pizza cheese which we use. And then I'm going to mix it well and cook it for around 2 minutes, and then I will turn off the stove. After turning off the stove, I will let this entire mixture cool down a little bit, and by that time I will be toasting my bread on the pan. I have mildly toasted my breads, so if you want extra crispy, you can do that. Now I will be placing the cooked mixture of the scrambled cheese on top, and then I will be putting slices of tomato and sweet bell peppers, which is also known as capsicum, colored capsicums, and then I will just close it. Do the same with the remaining 2 slices. Like that I have done almost for 10 slices of bread. And then I will cut them in the center and place them on an offering plate. Put a tulsi leaf and offer it at the lotus feet of Shri Krishna. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.